Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, sorry for the dull light, it's been raining cats and dogs. Today we are going to install this. This is basically a replacement for our headlight switch. This is the original headlight switch, which comes with high beam, low beam, and a menu button. But if you see this one, it's a Minda switch, fully imported. It comes with all the necessary wiring, and you can switch off the headlight. You can have high and low beam as well. And also, if you see on top the red button, you have a pass light switch, which also doubles up as a menu button when the engine is off. So, watch the time lapse now, and in between, I'll be cutting short and I'll be posting whatever important details that are needed. You have to remove this front panel, which is held by two screws and two pins, fiber pins basically. And this whole panel is held by two nuts, and these are Allen nuts. Rest all of them are locking mechanisms. So whenever you remove this, be careful to not break the locks, because if you break it, the downtime for Aerox spares is pretty high. So it is going to take a lot of time to get the part back in stock. So be careful when you're removing these panels. Rest, it's all a pretty easy plug and play job. Now I'll be removing this switch, and I'll be disconnecting these two. And once it is disconnected, it is easy for me to remove this and fix the aftermarket one. So just install the switch, not a full install. I have to just do it properly. I'm just doing a test run actually right now. So if you see, the engine is running here. You can see that the engine is running, but all the connections are done. It's all fully plug and play, but none of the lights are on. So when I flick the pass button, you can see it is passing. When I switch on the DRL, just the DRL is on with the engine running, and I can still flash. And with the lights on also I can flash, and our regular high low also is working. So I'll continue the time lapse now. It is pouring as well. I don't know how bright the video will be, so just watch it till the end if you can. See you. Here is the menu button in action when the engine is off, and as soon as you start the engine, the menu button stops working and it starts becoming a flash. So with all the lights off now, with the DRL on, with the main light on, this is your high beam, low beam toggle, and this is your pass. So the install is complete and it is pouring continuously. My GoPro is getting wet, the battery door is open, and I have to wind up the time lapse now. I hope this video has shown you something about plug and play modifications for the Aerox, and there are quite a few that I have put up on my Instagram stories, and you can just check them out. If you want some accessories for your Aerox as well, you can just DM me on my Instagram. The link is there in the description for my Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to get you some parts for the Aerox. So that's it for now, guys. The helmet giveaway is just about to start because I'm at around 1900 subscribers now, and pretty soon at 2k subscribers I'll be giving away a beautiful AXOR helmet. So watch out for that, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. So until then, ride hard, ride safe, always wear a helmet, always wear a mask. Bye bye.